Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix battery icon missing from the taskbar on Windows 11. And for this, what you need to know is that if you go to the search bar and search for device manager, click on that, then you will have your device manager just right here, and then we click here on batteries. Then what you need to do if you don't see your battery icon in the taskbar, like here, you need to update both batteries. So what you need to do now is click on this, right mouse click and do update driver. Then browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list, then do next. And then Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then do close. You will restart it. And then do this also for the other parts. So right mouse, update driver, browse my computer. Then do next, and right now he also updated this driver. So right now let's click on this. Oh, sorry, not on that, but that's fine. This is exactly how this works for those updates. It was just an extending option. But right now we just updated both drivers, and now you probably will find the battery icon right here in the bottom. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.